Hey everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about a job opportunity. So we will discuss about a job opportunity, but before that I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar and share it with your friends and family, and also hit the bell icon. And if you feel, then please like the video. Your subscription and like means a lot to us. Please do that. And yeah, with that note, let's quickly move further with the video. So we will talk about Vestas hiring. So they are hiring for graduate engineer trainee for ECM purchasing. So we will look to that. So the location for this will be Chennai, and they want some work experience, and the type of position will be full time. So this is a full-time job opportunity. So let's know something about the company. So Vestas is the world leader in wind technology and a driving force in the development of the wind power industry. And Vestas core business comprise the development, manufacture, sale, marketing, and maintenance of wind turbines. And come and join us as Vestas. So this basically works in wind technologies and do all the work related to that. So ECM purchasing is a part of procurement services in the SCM EVSC function, and this department supposed on global procurement operational activities. So these things will be easily understandable to the mechanical pupil, I think. And if you are one who understand all these things, then do apply for this job. The job responsibility for this will be read, interpret, and classify released engineering changes, and responsible for physical implementation of ECOs at suppliers or factories globally. Technical support to suppliers, factories on change implementation, and responsible to validate new design manufacturability with the suppliers and enrich purchase info or information record, and RFQ secure that missing master data is enriched, and info records source list, and quota arrangement within agreed SLAs. Okay, the qualification for this job is BE fresh graduate in mechanical engineering, only 2022 pass out. So see, this is for mechanical engineering only, and the student should be 2022 pass out, and it should be from BE only. Okay, now excellent communication and interpersonal skills. So only these qualification they want, very basic qualification. If you are from a mechanical engineering pass out from 2022 batch, then do apply for this job. Now competencies: ability to read, understand, and communicate engineering drawing and technical specifications, understanding of production documentation, and understanding of selection, qualification, negotiation, and contracting with suppliers, and exposure in supplier consolidation and cost out project, knowledge of ERP system SAP, and focused person with ability to grasp and learn in a progressive environment. So these all are the competencies, basically skills they want in you. So you will be able to do the work, and what they offer is an existing exciting work environment with exposure to multinational work culture and technical knowledge. So this is what they offer. So it is a really good company. If you want to apply, then I will provide this link in the description box. You need to click on this apply now button and apply for this job opportunity. This is a really good job opportunity for mechanical engineers, because there are there are few jobs only for only mechanical engineers. So this is for only mechanical engineers, so do apply as soon as possible. Okay, so this is all for today's video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker, so that you get future updates of jobs, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.